Hey, hello everybody, and welcome to the second tutorial that we're going to have on Rhinoceros. This is going to be a tutorial based on the furniture that you're going to use on your design. Remember that you already have the walls and all the structure for the apartment that you guys are building. So what I'm going to show you is that you should go first, this is very quick, first go to push a button to our website and click on the link that will take you to a folder that is called furniture. Now in this folder you're going to find many different models that have to do with designs, okay? And after you download each of these, you're going to find tables, a sink, a sideboard, racks, lockers, chairs. I mean, you're going to find many different types of designs, okay? All of them are Rhinoceros designs, okay? So after you download your designs, you are going to open one of them, and I'm going to show you how to rotate and scale that design, because many times they're not on the same scale and they don't have the same measurements, okay? So after you do that, we are going to design them, okay? So here's our apartment. Open this for a second. And let's say I am going to use one of the tables, okay? One of the tables. So I open another file, another Rhinoceros file, okay? So you can see it here on the perspective view. This is a table that I'm showing, okay? Now if I show it on another view, I can see that it's already renderized. You can change the render of all these materials, okay? The idea for us is to just select the object completely, select everything, copy it. You can press Control C to copy the object, and then we're going to pass it to the perspective view, okay? We're going to pass it to our apartment, and look what it says. It says that the geometry is not like on the same. So it says either stay on the same size of the model imported, or keep the same numbers, the numbers of the measurements imported and to this one. Well, we can do the second one to see what happens, but if it doesn't work, then you can try the first one. We're just gonna have to scale, okay? So as you see, if we keep the same numbers, this is gonna be a huge table compared with our apartment. But this is very simple to organize. We just have to scale it to a small dimension and just put it inside. So we select the object again, okay? We select our object. It's better if I do it from another view, okay? Okay, remember that if you select from left to right, you select everything you touch. So I'm going to select this part over here. I'm not going to touch anything from my apartment, okay? I'm just going to pull it out so I have it different on a different part. I'm going to select it and I'm going to scale it, okay? So I'm going to press the scale button and scale on 3D, of course. So just click on that button and let's try to make it smaller, very smaller, okay? So here we go. Now we can see on the perspective view that it's a lot smaller, and maybe we can put it inside, okay? Now I will just put it inside, and I'm going to zoom in so I can work better with my object, okay? So I have a table inside my house. Now you can scale it more if you like, okay? You can scale the object more. If you want the object not to move, then I recommend you to just select the object again and just group it. Remember that you can group things, and after you group it, then you can move it completely, and it will be in parts. Okay, so you can group it, and of course you can scale it a little bit more until you have the desired size and angle. Okay, so we have a small table that I'm going to use maybe on the living room. Okay, and basically that's all you have to do with all the objects that are on the folder. So you can use the tables, you can start working with all the models that are there, and at the end you can just renderize the walls using different types of tiles or materials, and the lights. You can use lights on different spaces around the living room, so you can get a different feeling and a different mood for each room. Okay, so now after you have all the different furniture, then it's up to you to just finish, create walls, create the windows, and that is about it. So good luck, and hopefully this is all for this this semester. I'm sorry we're not going to have time to show you bumps and textures, but I'm pretty sure that that would be our next tutorial. So good luck with that, and just remember, you can send any comments on YouTube or on our webpage.